Hello friends and welcome to this video. This video is brought to you by me, Jay Kwesi, Forex Trading. And in this video I want to introduce you to Forex Trading. Forex Trading is the trading of currencies on the Forex market. The Forex trading industry is an over $7 or $8 trillion industry. So every single day, about 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 7 trillion dollars going through the Forex currency market every single day. It's not every week, it's not every month, it's every day. So how much of the money in the 7 trillion do you think you can get out of it? Right? Maybe you can get 100, 1,000, 10,000. You can get more. You can get more. Now, I can teach you how you can get at least 10,000 in your account if you're willing to learn, starting from as a beginner, an absolute beginner, starting from a 0 point, somebody who doesn't know anything about Forex. Now, for instance, let me demonstrate something to you. So over here is a setup. This is LTC USD, and I have many videos, Litecoin versus the United States dollar. And Litecoin is a cryptocurrency. All right. So we have the indicator below and we have an indicator above. Right. Let me go to another currency. Let me go to Euro USD. This is a popular currency. All right. Maybe some people don't know crypto. Let me go to Euro USD. So the Euro USD is popular. Everybody knows about Euro and everybody knows about United States dollars. If I talk Litecoin, some people say, what is that? So here you'll be trading the Euro against the dollar. And you basically in Forex, you'll be buying or you'll be selling. So when the currency is coming down, you bet if it's going to sell more, or you bet if it's coming down. And when it's going up, you bet if it's going up, and you make profit out of your betting. But the betting is not, when I say betting, this is what people don't know. Forex is not gambling. Let me write something down for you. Forex is not gambling. Now, why am I saying it's not gambling? Because betting, when you bet on, sports and all those things, you are actually like gambling with those. Like if, let's say, you roll a die. If you roll a die, it is like 1 out of 6 that one of the possibilities of the die will show up. 1 out of 6. The percentage of that, percentage-wise, could be about 15%, 13%, something like that. About 14%, somewhere around the low percentage. But with Forex trading, with an indicator strategy, with a proper strategy like this one, or with any type of price action strategy that is solid, price action, there are price action strategies based on indicators, right? There are strategies based on just pure observation, right? With a good strategy, you can have an accuracy. You can have an accuracy of at least 70%. And this is what I want every one of my students, the beginners, this is what I want everyone to be able to achieve. At least 70%. If you can achieve an accuracy of at least 70%, you are far better than those people who are gambling with the die in the casino in Las Vegas. Even there, they are risking all their money trying to make money. With this one, what does 70? Okay, let me explain what does 70% mean. So when you take 10 trades, so if you take 10 trades, 7 out of those 10 trades will be right. 7 out of 10. So even if you lose 3 trades, you still win 7. So guys, this is the best money making opportunity in the world. Forex trading is the best money making opportunity in the world because it's an almost win. Like it's so. Guys, look at it. 7 out of 10 trades with 70% accuracy, making money in the dollars from a forex market that has over $7 trillion every day, where you can start from a good place, you can start from a relatively low balance, and you can scale up and get a lot of money. I don't know why everybody wouldn't try to learn how to trade forex. So let's go. Now let me show you this strategy. This strategy is a very good strategy. This is one of my super strategies I just invented. I have a couple of a number of other super strategies, but this one is real good. Now we are using a MACD here. Now what's the MACD? The MACD is an indicator, a popular indicator. It's called moving average convergence divergence indicator. And then we are using the parabolic SAR, which has a step of 0.02 and maximum of 0.2. The MACD, these are the settings of the MACD. I think I shared these settings before. So how do you build your Forex account? It's very simple, my friends. So with this strategy, this one, the pros will not show you this, okay? The pros, right? Your mentors, your Forex mentors that you believe in, they will never reveal this to you. I didn't even want to let you know this. So if I'm showing you this, it means I'm one of the good guys. All right, this can make you money right off the bat. When we have the moving average convergence divergence MACD, when the blue line crosses coming down the middle, so the middle here is 0, right? So the blue line has crossed, and then the histogram, the bars, right? The light bluish bars, like green color, right, are also beneath the blue line, have also crossed the 0, just like this. And you go above and you see that the parabolic saw dots, the dots here, the parabolic SAR dots are also above. They are also above the candles, right? Then you just also sell. So you come down, you take a sell. Now the sell trade, right? If you enter the sell trade, you should put some like a stop loss around here and a take profit 2 times at least of a stop loss right here, 2 times. So from here to here, how much money do you think you can make from here to here? So from here to here, depending on how you trade it, right, you can make as much money as you want from here to here. But these are some tricks that you have to learn from me. So let me show you another opportunity. Another one, let me show you another one, right? Now let me show you a buy opportunity, a buy. Now look at this point right here, over here. So we see that the blue line is underneath the histogram, and the histogram is above, right, across the middle line around here. So it happened somewhere here. Very good. So you put your stop loss somewhere here and your take profit at least 2 times, right, somewhere there, right? And over here is what? Ding, ding, ding. Now, Someone who say this is not money. Let me tell you something. Let me show you something. Some of you guys, right? When I make videos like this, I want to show you very clearly. So let me show you where the thing happened, the cross. So the cross happened. If you see the cross, right? The cross happened somewhere around here. Okay, if I'm accurate, that's where it is. So our stop loss, we'll put it somewhere around here, just like I said, and then take profit around here. Now, some traders, right? When you put your take profit higher, right, like 2 times higher, and the profit is rising, you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait till the thing hits a take profit before you take your profit. So this is where you learn something about risk to reward, right? So at least 1:1. So let's say this is a 1:2. If you're taking at least 2 times profits, let me raise this. If you're taking at least 2 times profits, right? So I'll put number 2 here. When you get to profit level 1, right? Level 1. So when you get to, let's say, somewhere around here, okay? Because this is not a complete 2 times, but somewhere around here, you should set your stop loss to something called break even. So you put your stop loss, you bring your stop loss upwards, right? And you can take partial profits here. So that's something called partial profits. You understand? So you can take partial profits. I raise this. So you take partial profits here. So anyway, some of these trading tricks, right? If you should learn how to trade properly, you hardly make a loss. You hardly lose. Because I know that when I talked about this at this particular point, some people will say, okay, this is not 2 times, right? It's not actually 2 times, it doesn't reach 2 times. That's why we have something called partial profits and setting break even. So that's what a good trader knows. These are some of the secrets good traders know. But you still make money, all right? So let's see here another example. We have another beautiful example here. So this one, we have a cross again. A cross happens. Okay, and at the cross point somewhere around here, we have an entry, so we can put a stop loss here. Then take profit at least 2 times, so 2 times here. If you want to go more, you can go more and take more, right? Depending on the setup. So what are setups? And this way you have to know more about trading. And I'm saying this for a reason. If you go to the daily chart, for instance, right, you can see something here. You can see that we have a line here. It's a trend line. So a trend has been drawing here, going upwards like this and coming like this. So from this setup right here, if I take a trade on a lower time frame like the 4-hour or 1 hour, and I want to go up, when I come and check this setup, I can see there's more room to go up, right? You can see there's more room. So then I know I can take more profit. So these are some of the things you can learn. That's why I'm talking this way. So nevertheless, let me show you another example. So let's go to 15 minutes. Someone say, why the 15 minute? Because the 15 minutes is where you trade intraday, right? For day traders, if you want to take a trade and close the trade in the same day, sometimes when you take a trade, it may last overnight. It may last for 2 days, for 3 days, right? Some people don't have the time to be monitoring a trade for 3 days or 1 week. So if you're somebody who has a short schedule, you are working, right, at an office, you're working at a job and you are trading part-time. And let's say I send you a signal. So I send you a trade signal. I will give you a signal that opens and closes during the same day, right? And that makes it sweet money. So you don't have to stress. So you don't have to monitor, you have to pay swap fees. There's something called swap fees with brokers, right? If you should keep your trades overnight, there's something called swap fees that could sometimes affect your profit. And so we have strategies. That's why I'm a day trader. All right. So I'm now going a little bit deep inside for you to understand. But you're still going to make money. All right. So now let me show you another one. So over here, right? Over here, the same thing, right? It's a sweet strategy. When we come down here and then the cross happens here, we put our stop loss here. We put 2 times here. Okay. Listen to me. Don't be greedy. Go at least 2 times. 2 times and you take the money. All right. Profit does money right there. Now you see, Don't, because there's so much money in it. So much money. The tendency is that you folks are going to be so rich one day. You're gonna be angry with me. You're gonna be angry with me for sharing this strategy with you. Now the time has come. Where the real man will be separated from the boys. Have to learn more in order for you to trade and to have the requisite knowledge. All right, not so much, but there are some things, some terminologies, and some secret tricks and tips I want you to know. All right, now, how much money do you have to invest? So some of you, right, you have an iPhone. How much did you spend on the iPhone? You spend about, if you're a Ghanaian, you spend about 5,000 CDs on the iPhone or more. Between 5,000 and 20,000 and above on the iPhone. All right. Now, some of you, yes, if you, how much money do you use to buy shoes? Some of you like to buy shoes, so you could spend anywhere between $150 or $200 on a new pair of shoes. Now, some of you go clubbing, right? So when you go clubbing, you're gonna buy drinks and buy bottles. You could spend, sometimes you spend for clubs, I don't know, but let's say in a month you could spend upwards of seven more. You could spend $200 on clubs, drinks and more, like $2,000 on clubs. Chilling and all those things. All right. Some of you give money to your girlfriends. Okay, you can give your money to your girlfriend to buy Brazilian hair, to buy natural wigs. How much do those wigs cost? Those wigs cost you an arm and a leg. They cost you about $5,000. How much, ladies, how much does it cost? $10,000. All right, now, what will you do to learn something right from a pro, something that's gonna change your life forever? Look, by 1 year time, right, if you should join my group, now I'm gonna make this a limited time thing. If you should join me to learn from me by 1 year time, you could start from zero. Okay, you could have 6 figures in 1 year time if you apply all the secrets I teach you. You could have 5 figures, at least 6 figures in just a short span of 1 year. In fact, less than 1 year. If you apply all, less than 1 year, in a few months, even months, in about 5 months. 1 year is too long, my friends. 1 year is too long, my friends. In 5 months, you could have 5 figures if you follow everything I teach you. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna spend more money buying those things that you buy that you only use for once? You have an iPhone and you only use it for once, right? Right. Yes. You have you go to the club and you buy the drinks, then it's all gone, right? But this is an investment, guys. Invest. And not just Forex, but cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. We trade a Bitcoin too, we trade a crypto too. So investment, you would have you would have a scale to make money for your whole life. Infinity. You have a scale to make money your whole life. So you see, I have a course, right? And you see, the reason why I don't give the course, let me tell you something. The reason why I won't give the course to you for free. Somebody asked me, why won't you, someone asked me, if you're so rich, if you have money, and if Forex is a good way to earn money, why won't you give me the course for free? Now, this is why I won't give it to you for free. The reason I won't give it to you for free is because it's a fucking valuable, okay? It's fucking amazing, okay? So now, all you have to do is pay a teeny weeny $100. $100 is less than the amount of money you use for the clubs. It is less than the amount of money you give to your girlfriends, bro. And after learning from me all my skills of trading with $100, you will become the trader I am. You will be able to you'll be able to travel to Dubai. So my friends, go to the link in my bio. Go to the link in my YouTube video description. Go to the link, tap the link, and link up. Go buy the course.